So guys, good evening, and at last I got the viral chocolate from Dubai, the Fix chocolate, and I got the pistachio flavor. Shout out to Ma'am Jix Ramilio sa nagpapasabay nito. Galing pa tong Dubai talaga. Ang layo ng team level nito, at least a month yung waiting time. Pero tsaka 1,800 yung price nito. Pero with the just imagining sa travel nito galing Dubai and reaching Manila and here in the Oro City, I think the price is worth it. Pero tingnan natin kung ano ba yung hype nito at naging viral ito at kung masarap pa talaga tong chocolate. Okay, without further ado, let's open it up. Oh yeah. See the color? Gaya. Ang tigas-tigas na sa ref. Matagal na ito sa ref eh. Wow. See the color? Ito yung nakikita ko sa TikTok eh. Color niya eh. See? Ito talaga yung color na nakikita ko sa TikTok. Wow. So colorful. Considering na ang haba ng travel na ito, pero it's in not in a perfect condition, pero still maganda siya, delectable na. Thank you talaga kay Ma'am Jix kasi siya made it possible sa papasabay niya galing pang Dubai. So, without further ado, try natin ito. Super. Oh yes. Ito yung knafe yung tawag dyan. Parang pastry na lang. It's taste test. Crunchy. Hindi siya masyadong sweet. Very pistachio. Yung inside. This is the most unique chocolate I've ever tasted. Is it worth the hype? Not gonna see what? I can taste pie. Ba? Kaya pala yung iba, kaya na kubusin ito. Isang sitting lang. It's a very unique taste. Very crunchy. Hindi masyadong matanis. May pagkat na something.